Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is global clock synchronization. Daylight saving is increasing challenges to modern science, engineering, as well as our body and our life could be in danger. Daylight saving can affect both our body clock and health. The study shows that there is an increase in both heart attacks and roadside accidents in the days after clocks are set forward an hour in spring. Setting our clock forward 1 hour for daylight saving could mean losing an hour of sleep on the morning after the change. Being tired can decrease productivity, concentration, and general well being. Several studies also link daylight saving to increased risks of heart attacks, roadside accidents, and sleep problems. Clock synchronization is a problem from computer science and engineering, which deals with the idea that internal clocks of several computers may differ, even when initially set accurately. Real clocks will differ after some amount of time due to clock drift caused by clocks counting time at slightly different rates. There are several problems that could occur due to clock rate differences and several solutions, some being more appropriate than others in certain contents. Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere have different time zones, but on the same latitude. All of these impacts have economic cost too. An index from Yamura Economic and Analytics released in 2013 suggests that the cost could be $434 million in US alone. That's an estimate total of all the health effects and lost productivity mentioned above. Other calculations suggest this cost could be up to 2 billion just from 10 minutes twice in year that it takes for every person in the US to change their clocks. If you calculate 10 minutes per household in, instead of per person, this opportunity cost is only 1 billion. The longitude, the abbreviation lambda of point of the Earth's surface is angle east or west from the reference Mediterranean to another Mediterranean that passes through that point. World started going back towards normal one global clock synchronization. Majority of countries never observed daylight saving times in 2014. Russia left permanent daylight saving and switched to permanent standard time. Farmers never go with daylight savings times. Rather, they go with sunrise and sunset. It is time now to switch back to one global synchronization by leaving permanent daylight saving, since it is creating more problems and more unsynchronized world, as well as bad for our economy as well as for our health. Offset for time zone on lands from coordinated universal time must be set to 30 minutes, if not 15 minutes apart, instead of whole number of hours, regardless of boundary of any provinces, states, or countries, rather to follow lines of one global standard latitudes. Keeping in mind that one time zone for a city or village, but provinces, states, or countries can have different time zones. Australia, Brazil, Canada, Denmark, France, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Mexico, New Zealand, Russia, South Africa, Spain, US, United Kingdom, and USA already have multiple time zones in their countries. Time zone in one region will have one standard time, regardless of north or south or of equator. Many cities falling in one region of North America or South America or Central America will have one standard time. There are many references available on the internet you can search on. Thank you.